What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Always Occupied Home and Product Reviews. I want to say thank you to the 500 plus subscribers on the channel. This is my first recording since then, so I still have a backlog of recordings. Almost have like 15 videos to put out, and I still haven't put out because I'm just not going to put everything out all at once. And it also takes time for me to do these videos because I am the one who edit, and I am the one obviously that records. So I record, I edit, and I upload. So it takes a while, especially for the editing part. But anyways, that's once again blah 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 stuff y'all don't care about. So what y'all do, or what y'all may care about, is this Honeywell LED 3000 lumens of power. One thing y'all might care about is that this is rechargeable. You do not need a cord to operate this light right here. Now, what you may ask, why do I need something like this? Well, if you are a DIYer and you like going in, you know, under, let's say you do oil changes, or you working under your car, you may want something like this, or you may want this product. And you will see once I start doing more reviews on this. Well, once I unbox it. But anyways, let's go ahead and get into the unboxing. Alright, you guys, we got it out the box, and basically the only thing that's in the box is the instructions, rechargeable cord, power cord, whatever you want to call it, and we have the product. Now, right here is the adjustable feet, or the leg, and this is as much as it tilts. Right there, it stops. So it don't tilt no more. But if you are underneath somewhere, you can just have it laying down like that, and then your light will shine up. I think with this, they could have had it to a way where they can make it go, you know, out a little bit more, so you could get more of a degree. Okay, you guys, so on the back here, oh, well, that's bright. Shouldn't have put that in my face, but on the back here it has the power button. So you hit it once, 2 times, 3 times. All right, and once again, you hit it once, you get 3000 lumens. You hit it twice, you get 2000 lumens. If you hit it the 3rd time, you get 1000 lumens. 3000 lumens give you 1 hour of run time. 2000 lumens give you 1.8 hours of run time, and 1000 lumens give you 3.6 hours of run time. It don't say what degree is this angle when you have the light out, but it's not that much of an angle. So like I said, if you're like underneath a car, then more than likely you're going to lay it flat up if you're looking from bottom up. I don't know if this might make or break it for you right here, but that's about it. Okay, you guys, so this is indoor use. Of course you can use it outdoors, but when they say that, they mean that this is not waterproof. Once again, this is not waterproof. Do not leave this outside, and don't use it outside in the rain. On the paperwork, it says charge at least 10 hours before use. You know, that's pretty much depending on who you are. You might want to use it right away after you get it out the box. But I will have it on the charger, and we are going to test this out. Are you tired of using wires? Well, I have the perfect solution for you. Right here we have a rechargeable work light. Yes, I said it, rechargeable. It's like, no, I'm just kidding, you guys. All right. So anyways, this is my old Honeywell. Then we have our new Honeywell rechargeable light. Why did I get this? Just like I said in that little intro, I am tired of this. I am tired of this. You guys, you already know I'm turning my house into a smart house. I'm turning it to a wireless house. I'm turning it's a rechargeable house. I am tired of looking for this wire. Okay? And it's not that, it's just easier when you have a rechargeable light. You could go under the car easy. This is flat. Now I'm gonna compare it to my old light. Now with this light, of course you can go flat and you can go all the way. That is the big difference with this one. Now, in all honesty, I think they should have made this light right here flex like this light. That would have been, this would be the perfect light. But unfortunately, this is the only angle of light that you get. Now, with this, you go all the way down and you could go under your car, do your oil jobs or exhaust, whatever you're doing under your car, you can have it flat. Same with this one, you can have it flat. All right, now, once again, you have a cord. Cord means forever light, okay? Now, here's the big thing with this one. You can still use this with the charger cord. I tried it already, it works. You put your charger cord on and turn it on, it comes on. This was dead when I tried that test. Now, the only issue is you're working with 3 hours of runtime when it comes to 3,000 lumens, and 1,000 lumens, I think it's 6 hours or not. I will post it right there in the corner somewhere. So yeah, with the rechargeable light, you are working at a time limit when it comes to just being wireless. And that's about it. So let's go ahead and test out the lights. I have my son with me and we are going to turn the lights off to see which one is brighter. First, I'm going to test the electrical. Once I plug this in, I'll get him to turn the lights off. You see where it says light right there?
Yeah.
That's how to turn off the garage light. Oh, hold on. All right, you guys, ready to turn on electrical.
Wow, that's a big light source.
Yep. So the electrical is a bright light. So if you are pitch black in your garage and you just want to have light in a certain area, the electrical one still is in good shape. We're not going to get rid of it. Maybe, might resell it, don't know. Used, offer up.
It even turns on, it even goes through the glass.
Yep, but there is no different lighting options for this. This is just straight up on and off. All right, now we're about to get into
the non-wired one or non-electrical one.
Thank you. All right, so let me go ahead and turn this off and turn this one on.
They look the same.
It's about the same. So I think both of them is 3,000 lumens. But this one is a newer model, rechargeable. So that's the only thing that we can say about that. So if you need a light, this is pretty good. We are done with the final review of the Honeywell 3,000 lumens rechargeable. And if you want this product, you will have to go to Sam's Club. I don't know if they sell it on Amazon, but you could try it to see. But I got this from Amazon. I think it was like 40 bucks or so, something like that. Now, you can probably find something else better. If you found something else better, let me know in the comments. I might check it out. I might get it. Never know. but that's the review of the Honeywell. Like, comment, and please subscribe.
I have one question for y'all. Which of these light source would you want? Would you want the wired one? That one? The non-wired one? Or this Craftsman's one? So comment which one would you like the most.
Like, comment, share, subscribe.